Hello and welcome to the tutorial of the mini arcade system. This is the login page which you will get when you first run the program. As a new user, the first thing you will have to do is register. So for this tutorial, I will register as the user and the password will be 123. You can also choose to upload an image. Choose this one for now and register. So now we can log in using that account. 1, 2, 3. Login. This is the main hub of the system. Here we have the image that was uploaded and the username. Here we have some options that are available to the normal registered user, and down here there are the achievements, which you can click to see the requirement. Here there are the main feature of the arcade, which are the games. Up here we also have some options which are logging out, exit, and you can also choose to play the games from here. So let's start with Connect 4. This is basically just a normal game of Connect 4. If you don't like how the game is going, you can select to start a new game from here. You can also choose to view the notes or view the credits. That's enough for Connect 4. Next is Tetris. Like before, you can choose to view the notes or the credits, and obviously click here to play. You can press P to pause the game, and P to unpause again. And you can press Q to quit. You'll be asked if you're sure you want to quit. You may notice now that an achievement was unlocked. So when you click it, instead of getting the requirement, you get the reward that you unlocked and a comment for the reward. Up here is the reward. It's basically the background theme that was used for Tetris. Here you have some music controls. You can lower the volume, pause the song, play, and stop. The last game left is Pac-Man. Like before, you can choose to view the notes, the credits, and this game also includes instructions. And obviously click here to play. As before, you can press P to pause and then again to unpause. And again you can press Q to quit. And that's enough of Pac-Man. Next we can see the options that a registered user has access to. The first is view scores. Here you can view your personal high scores. In the next tab you can see the individual scores of all the users, and you can also sort by certain users. The next option is the change avatar option. Like before, you just browse, select an image, open and confirm. And you can see here that the avatar was changed. Next is the change password option. Just put the old password and the new password that you want. 1, 2, 3. And the password has been changed. To verify this, let's log out and log in again. P user 1, 2, 3, 4. The next option is send feedback. You can just leave the subject field empty and type the message here. Then click here to send. The last button is basically useless, however I left it in so I wouldn't have to make any changes to the administrator user interface. Speaking of administrators, let's register an admin account. So like before, the admin, password will be 123 again, and admin, yes. To register an admin account, you will need the admin key. If the admin key is wrong, you will get an error message. Register. So now we can log in using that admin account. 2, 3. The user interface is basically the same except for 3 buttons that were changed. The first is edit profiles. It's basically the same like the view scores function in the users options. However, here you have the option to delete individual scores. The other tabs also share the delete button. Here, instead of high scores, however, there you can edit the individual profiles of other people. For example, here I can change this person's avatar. And confirm. And now you can see that this person's avatar has been changed. You can cancel. You can also delete the user records. And the record was deleted. Here there is also the read feedback function. You can choose from the messages that were sent and view. The message I sent before isn't here. That's because I deleted the account I used to send that message, and therefore the message was deleted as well. The last function is the game settings. The first setting here is the admin key, where you can change the admin key, and it has a default button and a submit button. The next tab is where you can change the Pac-Man settings. These are all at default setting for now. You can change the maximum enemy speed up to 7, the initial lives, and the Zawardo time, which is the time you get for a certain bonus. In Tetris you can change the initial speed and the lines needed to get to another level, and in Connect 4 you can change the CPU delay time. Just choose the setting you want and press submit. And then if you want the default, just click default and submit again. And that's it for the mini arcade.